So second problem, fifth bit, this is the last problem of the exercise. Okay, so I hope you have already tried it. Okay, so for those who couldn't get, please follow these steps, and those who have already got this, okay, if at all your method varies from what I'm teaching, okay, please follow this, and this is the easiest method, or might be the easiest method. Okay, it's not mandatory that you have to follow only what I'm teaching. You can implement your own methods also, but only thing is you have to get the correct answer, and the method and implementation should be correct. Okay, so a lending library has a fixed charge for first 3 days. Okay, for first 3 days there are fixed charges, so we'll let the fixed charges be A, and additional charge will be B for each extra. Let fixed charges is equal to X rupees. Let additional charge is equal to Y rupees. Now Sarita, if we take condition Sarita, she kept book for 7 days. Okay, how many days? Number of days, Sarita, number of days is equal to 7, but number of extra days is number of extra days. No, when will be the additional charges be charged? Only after 3 days. So number of extra days is 7 minus 3 is equal to 4. So equation will be x plus 4y is equal to how much he paid? 27 rupees. This is equation 1. Now this is for Sarita. Now comes this Susi. SY. Okay, number of days she kept book was, number of days she had book was 5 days, and number of extra days is equal to 5 minus 3, which is equal to 2. Therefore equation can be written as fixed charges plus charged for extra days. Charge for extra days is equal to 21. So this is equation 2. So now again solving 1 and 2. Solving 1 and 2. So equation 1 is x plus 4y equal to 27. This is x plus 2y equal to 21. Since the coefficient of x is same, so we'll change the signs. So this will be 2y is equal to 6, y equal to 6 by 2, which is equal to 3. Therefore y equal to 3. What is y? Additional charge. Therefore additional charge is equal to 3 rupees. Now substitute y equal to 3 in equation 2. So x plus 2y equal to 21, x plus 2 into 3 equal to 21, x plus 6 equal to 21. So x equal to 21 minus 6, x equal to 15. Therefore fixed charges are charges is equal to 15 rupees and extra charge is 3 rupees. Okay, so these are the answers. So 3 and 15 rupees. It's simple. So one more time I'm going to explain this. Okay, for a library there will be fixed charges and additional charges. Like if you are going to take book for 10 days, okay, so that is the period of time where you are keeping that book with you. Okay, now for fixed days, like for first 3 days you will be charged for fixed. Like if you are returning the book within first 3 days, you will be charged same. Okay, and after for consecutive next 7 days you will be charged for extra amount. So here the fixed charge is X. Okay, for first 3 days they are charging X rupees, and for the additional charge, that is for 7 days, okay, they will be charging Y rupees. So total amount they will be charging for 7 days will be 7 into Y. So in same way, Sarita kept the book for total 7 days. Okay, so fixed charges are X plus she is keeping, how many days extra she is keeping the book? Already fixed charges are 3 days. Okay, fixed days. Okay, for particular 3 days they will be charging X rupees. For every extra days they will be charging number of days into additional charge. So fixed days are 3. So total Sarita is keeping the book for 7 days. So 7 minus 3 extra days will be 4. So how much Sarita has paid? Totally 27. So 27 includes the fixed charges and the charges for 4 days. Charges for 4 days will be 4 into Y. So X plus 4Y equal to 27. In same way, Susie kept the book for 5 days. In those 5 days, 3 days are fixed days. Okay, they will be charging X rupees for 3 days. And how many days extra? Sorry, Susie has kept the book for 2 days. So the charges for 2 days will be 2 into charge for additional charge per 1 day. So how much Susie paid? 21. So X plus 21, 2Y equal to 21. So when we solve equations 1 and 2 using elimination method, we will get the X and Y values. Here X value is 15, that is fixed value is 15, and charge per day, extra day, is equal to 3 rupees. Okay, this completes your 3.4. 3.5 will be doing the cross multiplication method, and most of the time that method is supposed to be easy. Okay, but there is a formula to be remembered for that. Okay, thank you so much.